Assalamu alaikum guys, good morning. Today is a very typical morning for me and I wake up at 6 a.m. Then again I slept and again I woke up at 7:30, maybe 7:30 a.m. And then my husband went to his office and I'm totally free and enjoyed a Bengali movie for some time, and now I'd like to make my breakfast. So today I'd like to eat a very tasteless, typical boring breakfast. You know, in Bangladesh we usually have roti or rice or khichuri or paratha, but here in Saudi Arabia I'd like to have most of the time we sometimes I make full and tomis, but today my husband didn't want to eat full tomis or etc, so I think cornflakes is worth for me. Yes, this is gluten-free vegetarian milk, so this is not tasty at all. You know what? I gained a lot of weight, so I think I should have this kind of gluten-free and vegetarian foods. So first of all, I pour the oat milk and then I will mix everything. And now you see I'm preparing my green tea because I have strong allergy. That is why coffee or regular tea is not suitable for me, as well as I have allergy to nuts also. So nuts are not good for me at all, but sometimes I have a little bit after 7 or 8 days. So that was my simple breakfast. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like it, or if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment below and subscribe to my channel. Tata.